I don't think I have much storage in my phone, so
Alright.
I haven't taken much videos, but
I haven't either. I've been working every freaking day.
yeah.
Alright, so I'm finally getting. We actually have a decent day today. I didn't expect it, but we're going to take advantage of the situation. She doesn't really need much of a cleaning, maybe just a vac job, because I had it out last year. But we're finally going to get around to fixing this problem that we saw in the prior video. I don't know if I can read that data plate too, see if I can see exactly what year it is. I want to say it was 1960 though. And I also want to say that the freaking mice piss freaking ate it away. This thing was not in good shape when I got it at all.
Can you get that?
Yeah, it's on the for either that or yeah.
Either one.
Okay.
It's been a little.
I'm gonna have to yeah, it's gonna be in a little bit of pain, so we're not gonna be able to get that part on video, but as soon as I get that cap off, we will resume. Alright, this did not want to come off. We drilled it, we beat it with a freaking flathead and a not a hammer, we did what we had, we could what we got, put it that way. That's your thermal overload right here. That's good. Here's your look at that, it's just touching. That's what it is. No, it didn't break away and rot off. It's just touching, but how? Maybe it's vibration over time. In any event, have it apart. May as well freaking take them off and clean it up a little bit.
Absolutely.
Lucky. So we're just gonna fix it and then fire it up, and now we'll conclude the video. Alright, so got a video of a picture being taken. That's awesome. Alright, so this should conclude the video. We went and got 90-degree stay-cons, wire brush the terminals to get them cleaned up, make sure they have a decent connection, sandpaper, and anyway, we should be good for hopefully another 50 years, 60 years actually. So yeah, button it up, and we're gonna fire the compressor up quick just to verify. I'm hoping I don't have to touch it because I had it set for like the perfect temperature, but it don't matter. I can move it. I'll figure it out again next year. But yeah, this thing's still. Might as well clean the filter too. As you can see, the thing's still looking good from the time I've had it. Fan moves nice and freely. That's a finger chopper if I've ever seen one.
Oh yeah. They all are.
So yeah, a little bit of coil rot down here, but it doesn't really affect the cooling capacity. It keeps my bedroom ice cold. That's all I care about. Let's see about getting this cover back on, and we'll try it out. All right, I got it plugged in, and let's do the honors, Dave. All right, turn it up. Hang on. What the hell's going on here? All right. Freaking does stink. I feel like the only way we're gonna figure this out is what the hell is going on?
Want to try it again?
Yeah, we're gonna have to. That was weird. That should have worked.
That should have, because they're all new, except for the one. They're all new connections.
Well, the one's part of the.
Yeah, they're overloaded. All right, stand by. Gets me every time.
It's a fucking compressor, dude.
Compressor's arcing out.
Yeah. That fucking sucks. It's gotta be. There's no way it's a freaking connector. They're brand new. Everything's all cleaned up. Fucking A. Kenny, help! KB, get over here.
Send help, please, now.
Alright, well, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to verify it, I guess, meter it out, see what we got. And yeah, we're gonna do a compressor swap on it. Gonna have to, I can't I'm not scrapping it, throwing it away. So yeah, we'll do either a compressor swap at some point, and I'll run the that one I just got with the S series in the bedroom for now. That's my only option, really. Or just keep the Emerson in use. But yeah, it sucks. How's that even? I was just saying how glad I was too that it didn't fry anything. That it did. Oh yeah. Look at that. I wonder if it ain't just arcing to the sides of it. I don't know. That's where it's at, right in there. I don't know if the terminals is like arced off to the sides of it. I refuse to believe that's a compressor. I mean, I think it is though. That makes sense. I think I might just be in denial. If I can even get in there far enough. I still have this thing plugged in too. Yeah. Anyhow. Alright. What an idiot. I'm in here nonchalantly with a wire brush, like, ah. Freaking smells too, like burning rubber. Good thing I covered my eyes for that. Sweet shit. So I can't tell you how bad that, like, I don't have the, like, enough, you know, words to tell you how bad that sucks. I mean, you know he's crying over spilt milk. It is what it is at this point. Oh, thank you. Yeah, look, I wonder if it just might have just had some freaking arc from before, and it might have just, you know. Yeah, I got a meter right here. Put this phone down for a second. Well, we thought we were going to fix this feathers today. This right here and maybe that onto the chassis. There's no ground. I was trying to figure out why it wasn't blowing the freaking circuit breaker, but that right there, I'm trying to get a good ground. Let's see if we're getting a reading. Alright, so we have a ground. Read these terminals. I mean, not enough to really. Yeah, it's not bad. That's nothing. I'm going to the chassis now. Let's do it. Dude, I don't know. I say if that didn't do it, I say the compressor's done. That freaking sucks. I was just freaking saying over the summer when we were at that freaking AC meet that the only one I've never seen have a problem is a pancake. Yeah. And here I was worried about the freaking about the Stacon connectors being a problem, or not the connectors, but I mean the pins coming out of, you know, the terminals for the compressor. This is what I was worried about. All right, Dave, let's plug it back in and let's get some freaking silence quick too. Hello, copyright police.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey.
I think it fixed it. I recommend putting some grease on there to insulate it. Oil. Preferably dielectric grease.
It is running, I think.
It is running. It is.
Maybe it was all that freaking shit that
That was, yeah. Well, it was all the carbon.
It was
carbon
grounded.
conducts electricity and it was going to ground.
It was grounded against the chassis.
Yeah, against the compressor housing itself. Better put it in the box.
I wish that freaking dickhead would turn his lawnmower off so I can actually hear what the fuck's going on. This is the first video I've cursed in a long time, so I was doing pretty good for a while there. It's not blowing cold though. Like at all.
Alright, let's try this alternate.
Hold on. Hey, so we just put it between the speeds.
How's your suction line feel? Is your discharge?
Cold.
Is discharge hot at all?
This ain't doing anything.
No,
Dude.
it's flat.
No way.
It's flat.
No, absolutely
I have
not.
to tell you that. It's been running this long. You should the discharge should be piping hot. And the suction should be cold or frosted. By now.
It is running.
Yeah, the compressor's working.
Turn your fucking lawnmower off, you piece of shit.
Oh boy. Going after neighbors again. Yeah, he's
Are you sure that's fucking...
Yep, I've had this happen twice to me.
Dude, this thing
I know
has...
the sound of compressors when they're flat, and this kind of sounds like it's flat. The best way to tell is we'll turn compressor off and right back on again.
What's that gonna do?
If it's got refrigerant, it'll stall it out from head pressure.
Alright, do it.
Oh. It was working there a little bit.
That was off the other... That was off the... looked like it was off of the overload side.
Alright, let's try this. Overload should kick in. Yep, alright. Overload works. So it's got something in it. It's got a charge.
Dude, it's
Because
no
it's
freaking way.
still I turned it off. It's still at the compressor.
There's nothing that could have possibly potentially even happened that would have caused the refrigerant leak.
So it's stalling. Alright, so you have something in there. Because it is building head pressure because it is stalling out the compressor. The question is, why aren't we feeling any temperature coming out the discharge?
Right.
That's odd.
Oh, no, that's
Oh, that's why it's loose. That's very loose.
yeah, I'm an idiot. Hang on.
Hold on a
All right,
sec.
hold fire. Hold fire.
Safety third.
Yeah, how about it? Safety third.
Safety
I
third.
gotta clean that freaking terminal up again. I refuse to believe this thing has no charge.
I mean, it's still
I'm telling you, dude, this thing keeps the bedroom at like 58 degrees, no problem. And it's never had any issues like that. Unless it just ain't freaking running right. Or maybe it's something...
It could be that. Is the motor is running in the compressor. And it is building head pressure because it is getting stalled out.
Squeeze on that, maybe that's not
Yeah, you
good.
gotta squeeze in this.
Well, this might not be. Tell me to put it down for a second.
Time to have a good think about this.
Alright, that ain't loose now. That's what that was. That was all the rust and you said maybe carbon's freaking dust from over the years.
That's getting picked up by it.
Alright.
You want to plug it? Alright.
Plug her back in.
We are off. Going live. Stand by. Good. Putting in between fan speeds.
Doesn't sound loud, dude.
No.
It don't sound good at all.
This platform works.
Dude, I'm gonna fucking go over there and turn his lawnmower off for him.
Discharge is warm. You expect to feel a little bit of temperature coming out of it.
There's no way that compressor's that quiet.
No.
It ain't running right. I think it could be stalled. I don't know, man.
Because it is compressing to where when we turn it off and turn it back on again, it stalls out and the overload kicks in.
True.
As it should.
All right, Kenny, I need you.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Emergency, send help.
But yeah, there's no way in hell this thing lost its charge. No way. We never touched it.
Yeah. And the terminals aren't blown out.
No.
If they
It's
were,
not, it's not arcing anymore. That's good. I'd say electrically we're good.
coil's not getting cool at all. It's ambient.
What the hell could that be?
And
Thank you.
I hear refrigerant flowing.
Thank you for turning your lawnmower off.
Refrigerant is flowing. I can hear it.
Well, I say I think we're admitting defeat here for the day.
Oh, maybe it's just taking its time.
No way. That thing blows freaking. That thing will freaking blow frost out instantly. Seconds. Yeah, pancakes are quiet compressor, but they're not that quiet. Something's wrong.
They're stuck on the start winding. Maybe.
I don't know.
It wouldn't matter either way, because as long as it's
You can hear that?
Yeah.
Listen to it.
That was really low. I don't know. That's odd, man. Because on the wheel belt I have and the Focal Ford Notice I have, they're both out of gas.
So there's no sign of oil or anything
No.
anywhere in here. Fucking A. I don't know. That pisses me off though. Alright.
Might have gotten a little cooler.
End of video.
Hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna give it one more chance, although I know I'm just in denial here. There's definitely something wrong with that. That's not how that compressor sounds. I've been listening to this air conditioner since 2017 every night. Well, during cooling season. That's one of those tamper-proof ones. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass. Tuck the wire back in the way I usually have it. I'll figure it out later. I'm gonna try to hit them both so just the compressor kicks on. I'll know right away, especially from in here or something.
Yeah.
I mean, I wish a compressor did run that quiet, but it doesn't. Something's wrong. And usually I would be able to breathe into this right now and see my breath, no problem. I don't know what could possibly be going on with it. I mean, you can feel it it dropped a couple degrees with my hand on it. You can feel that, but dude, there's no way this thing's flat on charger. This doesn't.
It's got some, as you can hear, so it's got some in it.
Just doesn't make sense. How could that even happen? It was literally full. Yeah. The day you can go on my YouTube channel and see when I uploaded that video. Everything up until that point, this thing has never even skipped a beat, which is incredible, being that this unit's been through complete freaking hell and back before I rescued it. Son of a bitch! You could hear it.
Yeah, there's definitely refrigerant in there. Just maybe not a whole lot.
Come on, Kenny, what the hell is going on? hopefully next time you see this, it'll be in better shape. Ready to run again. For now, I'm gonna use that guy. Hey Dave, if you want to do the honors.
All right.
This is what it should sound like.
Fan speeds.
Once it'll stop once the boat's head pressure.
Here,
So
it
that's what a
also
pancake sounds like.
It also arced out there on the beginning on startup.
And that was a
You heard
freaking
it?
plate.
There was.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
All right, so what we'll do is we'll fire this up for a second, fire mine up, and we'll go outside and compare them. That really sucks about this one. All right, check the outside out.
I forgot to put the plate back on it.
That ain't right. That one sounds a lot more like it. I really don't feel like walking through all the that brush again. What a freaking bummer, man. That really sucks. Talk about a bummer. No. Yeah, here, if you look, thing's probably blowing freezing in.
Yep.
We're in the kids' room, that's why. Thing's irritating me though. Like I said, it is a quiet compressor, but it's not that quiet.
Fan speeds.
Alright, good enough. That pisses me off. Unreal.